Okay, so we're the newsroom. I'm Mihai Fanaki. I'm one of those obnoxious people that would say that serial entrepreneur, which means that I've started a couple of companies. The last company that I've started is still active. Charge ads. We do media trading. I know quite a few things about media and obviously technology and trading. The newsroom. We started in this year, in April. We have 14 people across 5 markets. So this is the team. We have some pretty interesting talent, former Yahoos, former Google people, a lot of experience with the publishers. So in terms of what we do, we're a publishing platform, so we work with the digital publishers. So we help them surface the right content for the right user, which is a very interesting promise. But I would say that what we do is we actually help publishers kind of get their shit together. So these are the publishers that we work with at the moment. So we work with some very boutique publishers, like small publishing TV stations from the US, publishers from Singapore, CNN, in Turkey, which is rather ginormous. In terms of what we do for them, we essentially, at the end of the day, we deliver a higher user engagement, which is pretty, I would say, is pretty amazing. We deliver higher return rates, user return rates, and then a much higher click-through rate with our ad products. I'm going to walk you through this so that you understand what we do. So in terms of if we want to play a little game, so if we all pull up our Facebook pages right now, we're all going to get different information. But if we all take a look at the New York Times at the same time, you're probably going to get the same experience. You're going to get the same experience for all of us, which doesn't make any sense. By the way, this is the homepage of the New York Times today. I think it's pretty irrelevant for most people in the room. I would say that what publishers are now doing, they're literally just doing kind of spray and pray, while the other guys, the select group on the right side, they're actually doing algorithmic delivery. So this is really what we do for the publishers. We help them set up an algorithm so that they deliver the right content for the right people. So we do this via, we have a couple of ways of doing it. First of all, we learn a lot about what users want to explore, and then we ask legitimate questions. Okay, well, what is it that you want to read about? So what we do is, ideally, we remove the interruption, we remove the guesswork, we remove the cats, the yachts, the Trump, the freak shows that you see all over the internet with content that actually makes sense for the user. So it's a classic before and after example. So the right side is what our platform delivers. These experiences are not only they look better, but they're faster, they're personalized, and they're optimized. They're actually optimized for mobile. They're not just kind of byproducts from the desktop version. We have our range of native ad products that we build for the publishers. They're nothing like the display ads that you see all over the place. For example, this is one. And then in terms of our dashboard, this is the experience that publishers are getting. And then this is, well, the newsroom.
So do you